I'm Dylan Black. The Helping with Furniture annual gala is coming, the 12th edition. It's very cool, and that's happening April 20th. Looking forward to that at St. Elias Banquet Hall at 750 Ridgewood Drive. With us right now, the Vice President of Helping with Furniture, Jen Gagnon, is with us. Nice to have you here.
Thank you.
And welcome back to the show as well, Katrina Barkley, the owner of Malenka Originals.
Thanks.
Good to have you here.
Good to be here.
And
Thanks.
I know we've got some amazing creations for little people.
Yeah.
We'll get to that. I'm not going to sit on this break for sure. We'll get to that coming up. But first, Vice President Helping with Furniture. Cool title.
Yes.
Very cool organization. Tell us about Helping with Furniture.
So what we do, we collect used furniture, gently used furniture, household items, bikes, everything for home. We collect them, we bring them to our warehouse on Kinetic, and then we give them to families in need in Ottawa.
How long have you been doing this?
It's been now 12 or 13 years.
Wow. Okay.
Yes,
And you
yes.
do have some impressive numbers as well. So don't be modest. Tell us how many people you've helped.
That's always a good question.
I thought I had the number right in front of me, but okay. Yeah.
I know 1,300.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes,
I
for
got
the-
1,450.
Okay, well.
But that's okay. That's a lot
Yeah.
of people, though, to help.
Yes,
So
yes.
congratulations
well,
on that.
we help around 3 or 4 families a week.
Wow.
Every Wednesday nights.
That's
because
great.
it's all volunteers, no paid employees. So
That's
yeah.
good. Congratulations. And Malenka Originals. Okay, so Katrina, tell us about Malenka for those who haven't seen you on the show before.
Well, we have a shop in Hintonburg where we promote upcycling furniture. So we like to take old, tired furniture and make it beautiful again. And we like to teach people how to do it themselves. We run workshops and we sell products for refinishing.
Where do you get most of your material or your furniture?
Oh, from everywhere. So
Yeah.
a lot of auctions. Been to a lot of auctions in the past. Kijiji's great. Garage sale season is coming up. So
Yeah, so you always out at garage sales yourself?
I try. Yeah, I try to get
Try
out,
to get out there.
and always looking for furniture
Yeah.
for sure.
So as far as Helping with Furniture is concerned, so 12 years this gala has been going on?
Yes.
Wow.
yes.
So where does all the money go towards? What does it go
It
towards?
pays for the warehouse and for the gas, for the truck. Because
Okay.
the truck is, Penske lends us a truck every
Okay.
Wednesday night.
Okay.
Yes.
So there's expenses, obviously.
Yes.
Makes sense.
Yes.
All right. Now, can you give us some more details on this amazing gala that's happening on the 20th of April?
Yes, so this year I've invited 10 designers to paint drab furniture. So this is one example of a fabulous little table.
It was drab before? Is that what you like? Not very
it was
nice?
not very nice.
Okay.
Not very nice.
Yeah.
And,
So this is a piece by a local furniture artist named Katie Carson, and she
Okay.
has a business called La Vie Bohème
Oui.
Okay.
Furniture. So this was actually, the piece was donated from Helping with Furniture. So they've provided all the furniture to
Yes.
these furniture artists for them to paint, and then they're going to be auctioned off at
Okay.
Helping with Furniture, which is sort of where I come in.
Because you're the live auctioneer.
I'm the
Yes.
auctioneer, yes. No professional experience, but like I said, I've been to a lot of auctions, and I got involved with Helping with Furniture a few years ago, and we like to get involved in the community wherever we can. I think it's important for businesses to do that. And so we've collaborated on a few projects, and this is one of them. So I'll be doing a live auction for these 10 different beautiful pieces of furniture, painted furniture that,
Okay.
that will be there.
Could you tell us the other people that will be part, the other furniture,
Yeah, we can. Yeah, we can. We have
other businesses?
we
Yes.
so we have the 10 coming up. We have a few people that I've collaborated with in my store. So we have a shop called Paint and Distress, who have a store in Merrickville. They're going to be donating some pieces. White Buffalo Vintage, Juliana is there. We have the Dresser Diva.
The Dresser Diva,
The
wow.
Dresser Diva,
Okay.
yeah. We have the Urban Upcycler. So yeah, no, quite
Okay,
a
so
few.
there's lots.
There's
Great.
yeah, no, great furniture artists. They've done a beautiful job. So people should come out and bid on these
For
pieces.
sure. So what else will be happening at this gala then?
we'll
Not
have
just
a-
amazing furniture?
No, we have a silent auction too. We have like 100 items.
Wow.
Yes.
That's a lot.
Yes, yes.
It's a lot of work.
So
And bicycles. So
And
this is.
bicycles,
I have
yes.
tried to bid on the bicycles both the last 2 years, and I never
So
get
why would there
them.
be
Amazing
bicycles? I mean, are these
Yeah.
bicycles that are up for grabs
because
in the auction?
now we have helping with bikes.
helping with
And
bikes
the
now,
latest
too.
is helping with computers.
Okay.
Because we want like everything for a home.
You can donate anything. Any of these items can be
Yes.
donated.
Okay.
Yes.
And so the bikes, especially, they've been donated, and then these are bikes that have been refurbished by the volunteers there, and a couple each year are in the live auction, and they're always hot items.
Yes.
They're
Okay.
beautiful bikes.
As far as Malenka Originals is concerned, how many pieces of furniture have you made better throughout the
Oh
years?
gosh.
Made prettier.
There are
not-
hundreds.
Yeah.
I should do a tally at some point, but
Yeah.
there's a lot of pieces that I've worked on, and I'm so happy that this has become something so popular in Ottawa too, that you're seeing all these, it's mostly women. There's some men, but mostly women painting furniture, selling it, and keeping some for themselves, but starting their own little businesses, and then also, you know, donating to help charities
Okay,
too.
and we do see the pictures flashing as well. So
So here we go.
yes.
Yeah.
Here's
So
some of your
here's some of the
creations.
pieces that are going to be up for grabs at the live auction. So this is Lisa from the Creative Seagal. And there's Katie's pieces again. I love what she's done with these actually, because she's done them so they could fit into a living room space. They don't look childish, even though they're a child's table. So really tasteful. This is from Katie and Dana at Paint and Distress. Nice little cute little rocking chair there. This
Okay.
is Swantastic. That's Claudia from Swantastic.
nice, lots of
Yeah.
nice stuff.
Yes.
And
This,
of course,
this is a beautiful table here.
beautiful stuff. I'm sure there's
Yeah.
lots more pictures and all the good details that we need, including you're looking for sponsors
Yes.
at hwfottawa.org. That's the place to go to.
Yeah.
And we're looking forward to this. It's the Helping with Furniture 12th Annual Gala.
Yeah,
on the
come on
20th.
out. It's a really fun time.
Thank you very much for being here
well,
today.
Thanks,
you.
Dylan.
Thank you. So much to come. HBS Networking has a big event happening on Wednesday. We've got all the details next on Daytime.